iPoGo is one of the most popular Pokémon Go spoofing tools that can elevate your gameplay. While iPoGo offers a free version for Android, the iOS version is paid. In this video, I'll guide you through the installation process for iPoGo and discuss other iPhone-friendly options that don't require a jailbreak. For Android users, head over to the iPoGo website to download the installer. iPoGo provides both rooted and non-rooted versions, so you can pick one based on your device setup. Before that, you need to uninstall the official Pokémon Go from your phone. It's a bit tricky if you're using an iPhone. First of all, iPoGo requires your iPhone to be jailbroken first. Plus, you'll need to purchase the Signalist service for $20 a year to download it. After completing these steps, you can install iPoGo. Here, I would like to show the main functions of iPoGo with an Android phone as an example. But I'm stuck at the login screen. iPoGo's primary feature is its joystick for easy character movement. You can access additional settings for more customization. Like PG Sharp, iPoGo changes your Pokémon Go location directly, which carries a higher risk of being detected by Niantic. But what if you're looking for a safer, jailbreak-free alternative that's simple to set up? Don't worry, I have just the solution for you. Try iMoveGo, which supports both Android and iOS. It is also very easy to use. Just download it on your PC and connect your phone to it via Wi-Fi or data cable. Check the game mode. First, let's talk about the joystick feature. Set your walking speed and control your character's movement with your mouse or keyboard. You can adjust the direction with full 360-degree control. In addition to the joystick, iMoveGo offers a single-point mode and a multi-point mode. It can help you plan your route or let you customize it. Just set the speed and tap to move. You can pause at any time to spin Pokestops or catch Pokémon without risking a soft ban. Enable Real Mode to vary your speed for a more realistic, human-like movement. Want to explore new areas? Change your location with Teleport Mode. Select Teleport Mode, type in a location or coordinates, and hit Move. Your GPS location will change instantly. For account security, confirm the location on the map before reopening Pokémon Go. iMoveGo even has a mobile app version that doesn't require a PC. Click the link below the video to download it. This is a guide to iPoGo and iMoveGo without jailbreak. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.